Unlock and open the door to access the multi-point lock strikes either on the frame of a single door or on the astragal of a double door. The removal and replacement of the lower multi-point strike is demonstrated in this video. The replacement of the upper multi-point lock strike is similar. Locate the strike. Remove and save the attachment screws. Remove the strike. Position the strike into the strike cutout with the lip on the plate opening on the exterior away from the weather strip. Attach with the screws. Locate the lock and deadbolt strike. Remove and save the strike attachment screws. Remove the strike. Position the strike in the strike cutout. Attach with the screws. If replacing the sill strike on a double door, unlock the inactive panel by disengaging the head and sill chute bolts and open the panel to access the sill strike. Locate the sill strike. Remove and save the sill strike attachment screws. Position the strike on the sill with the thinner strike edge nearest the weather strip and align the strike screw holes with the screw holes on the sill. Attach with the screws. Close the inactive panel and lock the chute bolts. Close and lock the active door panel.